All right, guys, we are going to talk about how calories are relative. So in the Half Size Me community, we had a webinar the other week, and a lovely community member who is under 5'3" said, "Hey, Heather, my maintenance calories are 1,500. I may have to go below 1,200 to lose some more weight. Is that okay?" Basically, like, will that hurt my metabolism? I hear so much stuff on social media about don't go below a certain threshold, da, 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 da. So I want to have a really honest conversation. People put things on the internet because it strikes fear, worry, concern, makes you think there's a problem you're going to have to fix later. There's all this stuff that goes into social media. That's number one. Number two, your deficit calories are relative based on percentage. So for example, let's say I'm talking about somebody whose maintenance is 2,000, right? They would be taking a 25% calorie deficit and eating, and that's 500 calories less. So they would be eating at 1,500 to lose weight, right? So let's picture girl A and girl B. Girl A has a maintenance of 2,000. She's already done Heather's biofeedback. She's been eating at 2,000 for 4 to 6 weeks. Her weight has stayed stable. She knows that's her maintenance calories. So now if she wants to go into a deficit and she's going to take a 25% deficit, she's going to eat at 1,500. Now let's look at my shorter lady over here, girl B, who has a maintenance of 1,500, and she has proven it with biofeedback. She has eaten at 1,500 for 4 to 6 weeks. Her weight has stayed stable. She also wants to lose some weight. So she's going to take the same 25% deficit. Pay attention now, right? 25% for girl A, 25% for girl B. But girl B, because her baseline maintenance calories are 1,500, means that she now takes 375 off that, which leaves her 1,125 calories. Because their baselines are at a different level, and they're taking uniformly the same amount of a deficit, it's going to be the same to their body, relatively speaking, okay? And where we get stuck up in our head is we hear things where we go, oh, can't go below 1,200 calories. And that would be true. I have met people whose maintenance calories are 1,200. So what I'm trying to say is you can't make a blanket statement that one amount is the correct amount. A lot of ladies who have gone through bariatric surgery, their calorie needs are far less than people who have not. You've got to look at yourself and realize that it's all based off of maintenance, right? So once you've identified maintenance calories, and you can choose, you don't have to do a 25% deficit. You can say, yeah, I really do want to lose this weight, but I want to take a 10% deficit. So if maintenance is 1,500, that's taking 150 off. The girl who's eating 2,000, she would be taking 200 calories off. Girl A would be eating 1,800. Girl B would be eating, let's see, 1,350. So there is how these two compare. But what you have to keep in mind, most of this is drama in our head. Your body likes maintenance. Everybody's does. It likes homeostasis. It likes everything to stay the same. It will fight to keep you where you are. So if your maintenance is 1,500 and somebody else's is 2,000, what that means is if I feed you a diet, a fairly whole foods based diet, on those calories, you're probably going to feel physically satiated without knowing the number. And I did a video called Why Lower Brains Love Numbers, because of the drama. We're right back here. So because you may not know the numbers, if I physically fed you 1,500 calories, and that is in fact your maintenance, and you got 3 square meals a day and a couple snacks, you're going to feel physically satisfied. Just like you're going to probably feel a slight hollow hunger growling if you're eating at 1,200 and you're in a deficit relative to the girl whose maintenance is 2,000. You're going to so what I'm basically saying is there's two different things. One is kind of like your body wisdom. It's like oh yeah, I feel fine after I eat 1,500 calories. And then you've got your mind drama, which is, wait a minute, my maintenance is only 1,500? that means I have to eat 1175 if I want to lose weight. And we create this story that goes along with it. But what you have to realize is, one, if your maintenance is 1500, you probably feel satisfied eating 1500. Two, if you go into a deficit that's 20, 25%, 10%, you're going to feel the same relative hunger and discomfort to a degree that somebody who has a higher baseline calories feels, because it's all relative. The percentage is the same. It's just a different number based on where your starting point is. So I hope this math lesson was helpful. I hope this might give you a little bit more freedom to focus on your path, on your journey. And if you need more help, please join us in the Half Size Me Academy. We're starting brand new January 1st, 2024. Very excited about it. We're moving our current community members over in December. We'd love to have you. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.